Okay guys, welcome to day 7. Today we'll be designing social code posts. So today we'll be making your first design, and I would like you to kindly replicate what I will be designing now. So let's quickly go back to our dashboard. So I brought in my element I'll be using. So let me quickly get the text I'll be using. So the text is, we are just starting, or let's just change it. Keep going. Okay, we are just starting. So we wanted to make it in quotes. Then let's go to our fonts. So let me quickly, I'll be bringing my pictures from this guy, my color from this guy. Let me change the color. Before I change the color, let me change the font. Let me give it a nice font that look good on my design. Let me go to my font. Then let me use this. Now let me use popping bold. Yes. Let me change everything to capital letter, all caps. Yeah. Then let me change the color. If you have not watched my video on color, kindly go back and go and watch the video on colors. Yes, that's it. So I can now increase it. So let me just bring it this way. We are just starting. So I'll just bring in a quote. So this is how to design a quote. You can kindly duplicate this. We are just starting. Or I can just reduce the size. Then you should, in case I have more text so as to use, I'll come out to my font. I need a font that is big for my quotes. So let me go to my font. I have series of fonts here. So let me use this. Yeah, I want something like this. Then I can just make it bold. Yes, increase the size. Just starting. Then we are just starting. This is just a code. So let me just come to my code here. Let me come here. Let me see. And I get, do not find problem beside it. Or you create opportunity by asking for the quality is not an habit, it is an habit. So let me just use this. Then let me give it a color. Come to my color picker. See from these the elements imputed. So I can just take from this guy. Now as it is, I'm giving it to color. I give it brown. Then let me give it a caps. Let me change the font. So as it is, I'm giving it to font. So let me see, can I get the font family that I used? Wow, this one too is okay. Then let me give it a spacing, a bit line spacing. No, it shouldn't be. Let me just come back here. One spacing. Okay. Yep. I can also give it a bold as well. Bold is not so good for this. Let me unbold this. Then reduce the size. Yes. So I'm giving it to color. Now to just make it look a bit different, not just to be plain. So let me just use, I don't want to bring in too much elements. No, black it. Look this guy. Click on it. I want to bring it in. I can just come here, bring this guy in, give it a color. Yeah. At least to complement this. We are just starting. So let's it, move it to the side. Yeah, so this is the design. So I can just bring in the text here and said to be an expert, to expert. Size. Then let me just see color blue. Okay, let's change the fonts to this in family if we're using. Let's come to our recent for easy location. Then we use this. Then I will come back. I want to use this rotate. I want to rotate it. I want to make it straight. So -90. Yes, move it down here. Okay, then increase the size. So what I'm saying, we are just starting. Quality is not an act, it is an habit to an expert. So actually I just thought of it and it's looking good to me. Left padding. So when you see padding now, it's going to be some things, but give it a space. Then I want to bring it forward. As it is, this blue and brown, they are kind of complementing. So let me just make it stand out. So I can just come down here, give it a white stroke. Sorry, please. My vehicle. Increase it. So as it is, you can see. So they are just starting. Quality is not that. They are just starting to an expert. Quality is not an art. This is an habit. Here I consider hierarchy. So in this my design, if we are just starting, I can just add a little shadow effect, enable it, then make it low, enable the glow. Okay, reduce the glow, come out now. Okay, so I want it to stand out. Use the blue, give it a color. I love it when it is transparent, it's not too sharp. Can you see now? It's standing out. So guys, you too can just design your own design. Tag me on the line. We'll be designing what I've done. Go and get any image and the likes. Then we design this or do something similar to it. And you see, you're going to go see you in the next video. Okay, I guess this time. I don't want it to be too long. That's I'm kind of fast. So let's just begin. Let's make it different a bit. Now come to my shape. Reduce the opacity. So I want to do something different. I think this. So let me just come to my stroke. So reduce the opacity of the color. Come to my stroke. Give it color blue. Let's see how it works. So if I just now go back to this thing, give it a reduce. Then okay, it's looking as if this reduce is into this guy right now. I want it to stand out, like be just as if this guy is standing at the top. Then here comes my layers. So we talk about layers the other time. Let me do it now. This guy now is at the top of this guy, so I can also unlock it and bring it to the front. Click on it, bring it to the front, to the front. So this guy, I can just bring it a little bit. Yeah. So we're just starting. At least make it stand out. So it's this guy that is saying it. So it's just that's that quote, social media quote. That's why. So it depends on how motivating you are. But now you can also give this guy a shadow. Do the shadow. You want it to be obvious that it's standing out in this design. So go to the UI, take it to the work. Yep. Then you can change the opacity to as well. Keep it already definite. I don't like it a bit too much. So guys, that's our social media quote today. See you in my next video, which is the 8th by God's grace. Thank you. Do it to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.